This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 32BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.